Here you go, CNC group break number 5598. We got the 1213 Retro, 1516 Series 110, and 1213 Artifacts to start. Oh yeah, probably, Derek. Gonna bust this, gonna see the draft prospects, gonna see how we're doing for time, and then play it by ear from there. Alright, so we start with the Metal Universe for the Hawks, Jonathan Taves. And a retro for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Metal Universe for the Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. And a retro for the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Playmakers Theater, number to 100 for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Autographics for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Kunitz. Flair Showcase for the Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. So it gets peeling on top a bit. Retro for the Rangers, Marian Gaborik. Metal Universe for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. And a retro for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Metal Universe for the Lightning, Steven Stamkos. And a retro for the Wild, Zach Parise. Golden Touch die cut for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Pavel Datsyuk. Rookie Sensation autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Mark Stone. Mark Stone. Autographics for the New York Islanders, Josh Bailey. Right now into the 1516 Series 110. Alright, Jumbo for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Alright, base. Base. Portraits for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. Erik Karlsson. Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues, Colton Parayko. Colton Parayko, Young Guns for the Blues. Canvas for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Patrick Hornqvist. Alberta game jersey for the Dallas Stars, Valeri Nichushkin. Shining Stars for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Brett Kulak. Portraits for the New York Rangers, Rick Nash. Base. Canvas for the Montreal Canadiens, Lars Eller. And a Young Guns for the Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi. Max Domi. All right, now on to the 1213 Artifacts. Alright, rookie to 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Arunas. Goalie insert to 999 for the Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprusoff. Rookie to 999 for the Minnesota Wild, Tyler Kuma. Dual jersey number to 125 for the Anaheim Ducks, George Parros. Auto facts for the Edmonton Oilers, Sam Gagner. Tundra tandems for the Montreal Canadiens, Tomas Plekanec and Lars Eller. Goalie insert to 999 for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller. Rookie redemption for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. Rookie redemption for the Oilers. And a patch. Blue parallel number to 85 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. And we've got a jersey and two-color patch emerald number to 75 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Claude Giroux out of 75 for the Flyers. All right, coming up next, SPA and 1314 Ultimate.